Hey there. Welcome to our first ever video of our new Tech Tip Thursday series. I'm Brady, founder of BH Tech Connection, and today I'd like to talk to you about remote control software. What is it? Why do we care? How do we use it to help us work from home? So, first off, what is remote control software? Basically, it does what it sounds like. It allows you to remotely control another computer uh, from the one you're using actively. Purpose of why we would want that right now. We have the shelter in place. There's a lot of things that we are not able to do quite as efficiently, and there's certain things we can't even do at all because there's certain things that we're used to accessing when at work, whether it's a server, server share, specific programs that might be on our work computer that we don't have on the home computer, that kind of thing. And so um, that is essentially why. And would you set it up? Basically, there's a few different options. There's actually quite a lot of different options. My personal favorite, and the one I typically recommend for Google Chrome users, is Chrome Remote Desktop. It works best in Chrome. You could technically use a different browser if you really wanted to. The main magic of it is that if you have a Google account, you can install Chrome Remote Desktop on your work computer, and you can then sign into it and configure it with a PIN and all that kind of stuff on the work computer. When you go home, you can go to a specific URL online that lets you then see your work computer and take it over, plug in your computer password for work, and you're in and you're up and running. My reason for it, the reason why I consider it to be my favorite is because it's free and you only need to have a Google account, which a lot of people have Google accounts. That is the simplest tool that I have seen for setting things up um, for no cost at all. Another thing that you can set up that is a close second for me is TeamViewer. And the software that they give you, they have a business level and they have a personal level, but you should be able to, with one computer to another single computer, have it used for personal use. You would install their software, sign up for an account with them. You install that software on the work computer, and then you install the software on your home computer. As long as you're signed into the same account on at both points, you're then able to remote control the first one. You do have to go through a little bit more work on TeamViewer's side to access it in an unattended way, meaning that it doesn't do you a lot of good to remote control your work computer if you need somebody at the other end to say, yeah, sure, go ahead. So the term unattended access comes into play for how do you set up a password or a PIN or what have you, so that you can control the computer with nobody there. We use TeamViewer professionally in a business setting for our company, so that's the reason why it's a close second. Chrome Remote Desktop is not really used for business purposes. It's used more for personal, one computer to maybe one or two other computers, and it makes a lot more sense given our current scenario and what we would all collectively want to use this kind of software for, which is why I would recommend Chrome Remote Desktop. And then a third option that you can do if you wanted a little bit more name brand recognition perhaps is GoToMyPC. Is a very popular tool out there. It is the only one out of the three that actually has just a price point right out the gate. My understanding from looking it up a few minutes ago is that it's about $10 a month if you do an annual plan. I think it's around $20 if you do it month to month. Not terribly expensive, but only really a good option if for whatever reason you can't do either of the first two. So that is our topic. Let us know what you like. Let us know what you liked about it. In particular, we covered remote control software, right? We learned what it is, why we care, how to set it up. And my request for you is think about others who would benefit from this topic. If you think there are others that are running into this kind of problem working from home and they wish they could access their work computer more often, this would be a perfect video to share with them. Go ahead and like and share with your network accordingly. If you're interested in a specific topic, leave your comment below with whatever topic you'd like to hear me cover, and I'll go ahead and add it into the rotation for a future video. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have just started this out, as you can probably tell, and having more views and more subscribers helps us reach more people with this kind of message. So thanks for watching. Again, I'm Brady Helkin with BH Tech Connection. I'll see you again next time.